Yo, what's good everybody, Joe Skage Reaper here. So, as I said, I got some packages in today. I'm just going to unbox one of them tonight. Possibly, because it is starting to get a little late here. So, the one I really want to unbox is one that I've actually been waiting for a little bit. And, yeah. So, my grandmother had opened it in front of me because we weren't sure exactly what it was. But once we saw it, we went ahead and taped it back up. Just so I could have the experience of actually cutting the tape myself. I know it sounds a little silly, but it is what it is. Plus, it leaves a little bit of the mystery aspect to it, because there's a box, obviously, but you don't know what's in the box. Alright. So, with that being said, go ahead. You can probably already tell what it is, but if not, it is a flashlight, and it's got a big-ass cob LED on it. Now, this is a Kodiak lighting, 15,000 max lumens, turbo mode and everything. Or, no. Okay, wait, hang on. Let me see how this... So, it's 15,000 turbo, okay. 10,000, that's on high. 3,000 is medium, and 300 low. And then it's rechargeable, so 5,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery. So, let's go ahead and get this open. I'm not even sure how I'm going to open this, because I've never seen a packaging like this before. And I might be able to cut around it. Let's see if I can. There we go. Alright, so I just cut it just like that. Need a knife. You flashlight manufacturers, y'all really need to stop using this type of fucking packaging. I hate, anyone who knows me knows I hate blister packs. I really do. I hate them with a fucking passion. Alright, I'm just trying to make sure I don't cut the fucking flashlight. I think I actually did that one time before, and I scored my flashlight. Alright, there we go. I think we got it now. Let's see. Yeah, here we go. Go ahead and get the cable here. And I'll just pull it out like this. Hopefully. There we go. Alright. See, that would have been easier if they would have had some type of fucking pull tab or something, but got it out. I am going to say the packaging just in case if I have to send it back for any fucking reason. Alright, so it is I wonder if it's focusable. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, so it is adjustable. Well, that's good to know. Oh, it's a screw type too. I like that. I have a lot of flashlights that have this adjustment feature, and they usually just pull, but I like the screw down type that actually uses threads and screws out. So, that being said, what is this saying about them? One thing I was curious about is, does the batteries come out? Because that would be a big downside. Okay. So we're rocking with here. Alright. So, it looks like two, I would say 26 650s, but they might be 21 700s. I'm not exactly sure, but it is a proprietary battery, so that does suck. Something to keep note of, that you are going to have to charge this inside the flashlight. And as far as replacement batteries goes, that is to be determined. Let me make sure it's all clear. Alright. Thing's got a powerful spring on the back. It's good though. Just gonna go ahead and turn it on real fucking quick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and charge it. First, let me see what, okay, so, there is a little, tip to this flashlight. It acts as a power bank, too. So, that's nice. So, let me go ahead and turn it on. Okay. Alright, so that's nice. Okay, so I may end up having to read the instructions after all, because I don't know how to get in fucking turbo. Let's see. Alright. Okay, contact manufacturer again. Alright, how do I get in a turbo? Because 10,000 would be high, that would be on with the way it's set up. So, how do I wonder if it's, you hold. Oh yeah, there we go. That's turbo. And then that's low. So, we got high, medium, low. And then if you hold the button down, turbo. That is fucking right, shit. Yeah, man. I might have to test that outside at some point. Maybe tonight. It looks like it's fully charged. I'm not too sure. I am going to see about charging it up. So, yeah. But, that's just the unboxing of the Kodiak flashlight.